Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on Tuesday, June 27, 2023, joined players and officials of Bendel Insurance Football Club for their Thanksgiving Mass to celebrate their FA Cup victory when shele for Government House, Chapel, Benin City. Oga Philip Shaibu, when talk to Tori people, come talk say if you look Bendel Insurance team, you go see discipline and good team when fit compete with any club for the world. Him constantly talk say our dream for the state now to get football team when go run less with government funding and attract private investors.
We have a rebranded Bendel Insurance, and we already put all the machineries in place. We have a good management, and we have a good technical team that we have already put in place. And we have disciplined players. We've been able to grow discipline for almost going to 5 years now in the club. And if you see Bendel Insurance, you see that it's a club of discipline, even on the pitch. We concede less of those yellow cards and infringement. And you don't see our players being unnecessarily harsh on referees. So discipline we have inculcated, and we have set a trajectory of a system that normally will just run itself. Bendel Insurance is an example of strengthening institutions. We've been able to put good team together, to be very compact team together, to be able to lead and give direction on how insurance should be. What we are seeing today is just a manifestation of hard work that we've started for quite a while now. We have put it in a place where insurance, our dream and aspiration is to have insurance run with less government funding. And that is what we are putting in play, and that is why we are dragging the private sector. We as government, we've been able to show that insurance can work, insurance can be back to life.
The Permanent Secretary of Edo State Sports Commission, Sabina Chike, will contribute salute to Baba God for the successful season and can say Beles the sweet are well as sake of say Bendel Insurance win the Federation Cup trophy after 43 years.
It has been gold all the way from the beginning, from when we started till now. It has been God all the way. God has been faithful. God has been great. I'm very happy that it happened at this time, that it is happening. 43 years was the last time such thing happened in the state, and here we are again, to the glory of God. So I'm happy, and we'll keep making Edo State proud. We'll keep making everybody proud. We are not going to relent. We'll keep bringing back the laurels to Edo State because Edo State deserves it.
Some of the players, when talk to Tori people, can talk say,
sincerely, I'm really happy about the goal, and I'm really happy because I happen to be the scorer of the best goal in the tournament. I was very happy about that, and it will not be possible, seriously, if not for the encouragement we get from the head down to the last player, and signing the management and the coaches and everybody, because I was not the only player on the pitch, so with the help of my teammates, that was why I was able to score that goal, and I really appreciate them.
All kudos go to the technical crew, the backroom staff, and the state government for the effort and the encouragement. You understand? Right from the onset, I've always been trying to give him my best, and then when the matter came upon me to lead the front line against Aqua United, so when you are being called upon, it simply means that you have to give your best in the field. So I myself, being on the field, one thing was just in my mind, to help the team to win. And that very day, which was against Aqua United, I gave my best, and by the grace of God, God crowned our effort with success with the help of my teammates and everybody. So coming back and scoring the last goal against Rangers, which gave us the continental ticket, I was perplexed. I was very, very bewildered by the grace of God. I was very, very surprised, but I gave God the glory, and I gave kudos to my teammates and my technical crew.
From Government House, Benin City, Ifunanya Okwezi, TMC TV News.